Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to max out a brawler in Brawl Stars. We'll break down the expenses for each upgrade, from power points to coins, gadgets, star powers, and gears. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of the total resources required to get your favorite brawler to their absolute peak performance. Let's dive into the details and see what it takes to dominate the arena. First, let's talk about getting your brawler to power level 11. This foundational upgrade demands 3,740 power points. Alongside these points, you'll need to spend 7,765 coins to complete all the level-up stages. Each power level significantly boosts your brawler's health, attack, and super damage, making them much stronger in battles. It's the essential first step towards true brawler mastery. Beyond basic levels, brawlers gain powerful abilities. Each of a brawler's 2 gadgets costs 1,000 coins, offering unique tactical advantages. For star powers, which dramatically alter gameplay, expect to pay 2,000 coins for each of the 2 available. Finally, 2 super rare gears, enhancing stats or abilities, will add 2,000 coins to your total. Epic and mythic gears cost 1,500 and 2,000 coins each, respectively. To truly max out a brawler, you'll also need their hypercharge, a powerful temporary boost which costs 5,000 coins. Combining all upgrades, including 2 gadgets, 2 star powers, and 2 super rare gears, the total coin cost for one maxed brawler is 20,765 coins. You'll also need 3,740 power points. This is a significant investment, but it makes your brawler a force to be reckoned with. Remember to check the description for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.